Singapore Tourism Board to embark on exciting 4-city roadshow with 50 exhibitors, including hotels, DMCs and attractions.
I'm thrilled to share that we will be bringing a record number of 50 Singapore companies consisting of DMCs, hotels, attractions for a 4-city roadshow to incredible India. This Vacations Made in Singapore Roadshow will kick off on the 8th of July in Chennai, followed by 9th of July in Hyderabad, 11th of July in Kolkata, and a pit stop in Ahmedabad on the 12th of July. Singapore is a country that constantly reinvents itself, day to day, minute to minute. And every single time you visit a country, there's always something special that you discover. It is a country that's beaming with so many surprises. So, get ready to embark on a journey of discovery with us and let your imagination soar as we showcase the endless possibilities for your travel business and what makes Singapore a truly extraordinary destination. See you at our amazing roadshow.
Thank you so much to Mr. Sanjeev, to India Travel Awards for this beautiful golden lady. She will serve as a celebrated reminder of the recognition and, of course, the responsibility.
Today we highlight the concerns raised by IATO and OTOAI at the recently held meeting with the new tourism minister.
So our basic problem, as we said, was the media coverage abroad, opening up of the offices, financial support to the industry. So these were the points, and we gave our suggestions as what needs to be done by the ministry in this case.
I raised the issue of TCS, explaining how it's a disadvantage Indian tour operator compared to foreign companies, and how the government is losing revenue from GST and income tax. Besides the TCS anyway, because it's not a revenue model. Foreign companies are taking Indian, outbound business without contributing to Indian economy. So that was the main discussion we had. I also, raised the issue of remittances by non-Indian citizens and requested licensing to bring the trade under the organized sector. Following that, I got an invitation from the ministry to meet additional secretary, and I just met him. I have given a representation on TCS. I have also given a representation on how outbound is helping inbound.